Hurricane Irma's size and strength have a lot of people worried tonight. Here are the latest developments. President Trump has issued emergency declarations for Florida, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Irma has strengthened to a potentially catastrophic Category 5 storm. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for the Florida Keys. And we just learned some of the islands in the Bahamas will also be evacuated. Stewart is tracking this monster storm.
That's right. Here's the close-up view of Irma working its way off towards the west, getting very close to the islands of Antigua and Barbuda. This is Antigua and this is Barbuda right here. As a matter of fact, it's about 40 miles at Iowa away from Barbuda. Checking the winds in Antigua right now, they're out of the north-northwest at 25 knots, but I expect those winds will definitely start to pick up very, very quickly. And as we widen the view, you can see that storm, as it is a very large storm, very symmetrical, almost a classic hurricane when you look at it. This is a textbook example of a massive hurricane right now with winds of 185 miles per hour. It's moving to the west-northwest at 15, and that forecast track really hasn't changed very much, just to the north of the island of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola and right along the edge of Cuba. And then it starts to make that turn. And the big question is, when does that turn happen? Is it a little bit before we get to Saturday evening, or is it a little after? And the computer models still diverge quite a bit once we get closer to the weekend, with some computer models taking it off towards the west coast of Florida, some right through the middle of Florida, and some off the eastern side. So again, a lot of questions when we get past about Friday or Saturday. In the meantime, talking about storms, we've been tracking a few thunderstorms here locally, some along Interstate 95, but quite a light show up through James City County and up through areas of the Middle Peninsula. Quite a bit of lightning with that storm that is lifting off towards the north right now through Gloucester and Matthews County. This is all in advance of a cold front that'll slowly work its way through the area tonight and tomorrow, giving us some more showers and storms for your Wednesday, but clearing things out by Thursday and leading to a nice weekend